How to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reply to a specific message on your Instagram. So, first of all, let's go to our Instagram and then open the chat. Now, let's say the person sends you a bunch of different messages. So if you want to reply to them individually or you just want to reply to a specific message one at a time, there are basically two ways on how you can reply to a specific message. The first one is by simply swiping the message to right, and now you can simply reply to that message only. So let's reply first of all. And now the second way on how you can reply to a specific message is by simply long pressing on the message, and there you'll see an option named reply. So simply tap on it and then reply to the message. And just like that, you can use either of those techniques to reply to a specific message on Instagram. So that is basically how you reply to a specific message on Instagram. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.